Reasons why SUVs suck. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a thought-provoking topic: the reasons why SUVs may not live up to their hype. Over the past couple of decades, SUVs have taken over the global car market, becoming the most prevalent vehicle segment with a staggering number of models available. They have managed to dominate the industry, pushing aside sedans, station wagons, and even compact hatchbacks. You can't help but notice their ubiquitous presence on the roads. However, we believe that the overwhelming popularity of SUVs is not necessarily a positive thing. In this video, we'll delve into why the immense popularity of SUVs can have some negative consequences for the automotive industry and the diversity of the modern car market. So, let's jump right in and explore the reasons why the popularity of SUVs may have its downsides. Number 1. They all look the same. One of the drawbacks of SUVs is their lack of distinctive designs. When you look down a busy street, it's hard to differentiate between various SUV models. They often share similar bulky, egg-shaped designs. With large wheels and rear hatch doors, the profiles are almost identical, and the colors tend to be silver, white, or black. It becomes challenging to distinguish between a Highlander, Santa Fe, or Renault Koleos. Manufacturers occasionally attempt fresh designs, but they often end up with another generic SUV that lacks inspiration. While models like the BMW X6 or Mercedes GLC Coupe offer some distinctiveness, the majority of SUVs blend into a sea of sameness. Number 2. Deviation from off-road heritage. SUVs have deviated from their traditional off-road heritage in the past. SUVs were known for their ruggedness, powerful engines, and all-wheel drive systems that could conquer challenging terrains. They were designed to handle extreme conditions and serve utilitarian purposes. However, modern SUVs have transformed into family cars, focusing more on luxury features and spaciousness rather than off-road capabilities. Many SUVs rarely venture beyond well-paved suburban streets, losing the essence of their original purpose. Number 3. Higher costs. Owning an SUV can take a toll on your wallet in various ways. Firstly, the initial cost of purchasing an SUV is often higher than that of smaller vehicles. Additionally, SUVs tend to have higher insurance premiums, increased maintenance costs, and pricier replacement parts. Moreover, their lower fuel efficiency means you'll be spending more money on gasoline in the long run. When considering the overall cost of ownership, SUVs can be a financial burden. Number 4. Environmental impact. The environmental impact of SUVs cannot be overlooked. Despite manufacturers' efforts to appear environmentally conscious, the production of millions of fuel-thirsty SUVs with large engines contradicts these claims. Large SUVs require more significant engines, resulting in higher fuel consumption and increased pollution levels. While hybrid powertrains are becoming more common in SUVs, their emissions levels remain relatively high. Furthermore, the size and weight of SUVs make it challenging to develop fully electric models, further contributing to their negative impact on the environment. With their low average fuel efficiency ratings, SUVs become an adversary to environmental sustainability. Number 5. SUVs are unsafe. Before you criticize us for saying that SUVs are risky, consider this: one of the main reasons people purchase SUVs is the sense of security they get from driving a large vehicle. This is entirely understandable, but it is only an illusion unless an SUV crashes with a small car or a motorcycle. In accident situations, SUVs are just as safe as any other vehicle. The risky part is that this is because of the higher ground clearance. Modern electronic systems have greatly reduced the likelihood of rollovers in SUVs. Yet no electronic system can defeat the laws of physics. A recent survey revealed that larger, higher, and bulkier vehicles may trap pedestrians beneath them instead of pushing them over the hood or to the side, which is a terrible way to die and bad for the environment. If you're sitting high up in traffic and you look over the long hood, you can't see small objects, kids, or pedestrians directly in front of you. While SUVs have undeniable popularity, it's essential to consider their drawbacks before making a purchasing decision. The lack of distinctive designs, deviation from their off-road heritage, monotonous image, safety concerns, and negative environmental impact are all valid reasons why SUVs may not be the ideal choice for everyone. As consumers, It's crucial to weigh these factors against personal preferences and needs when selecting a vehicle. Thank you for watching our video on the drawbacks of SUVs. We hope this discussion has provided you with valuable insights to make an informed decision when it comes to your next vehicle. If you found this video helpful or thought-provoking, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more automotive content. As always, we value your thoughts and opinions, so feel free to share them in the comments section below. Drive safe and make wise choices. Cheers!